In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $7,750 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, I'm gonna share with you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I'm gonna show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing without investing any money and start promoting affiliate links using free traffic and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end because you don't want to miss this information that I'm gonna share for free. I'm gonna share my method for free, and that's it. I started this challenge from January 2024, okay, until February 2024. Okay, over here I will click on update. So let's update this page so you guys can make sure it's not fake. As you can see, numbers are still the same numbers. Okay, so for people who will ask why it's showing $0 in your balance, because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account. Okay, so if you started this business, when you will withdraw your money, it will show $0 here in your balance. Okay, anyways, so it took me almost 2 months to earn this commission. So I was promoting trending AI services on Pinterest. I was promoting 10 AI services. In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys one of those AI services that I was promoting on Pinterest, so you can start promoting those services so you can earn some commission. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who want to join this business and start from scratch, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service, and they are really paying a good commission for those affiliate services, so you really should start this business. So to join, just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page, as you can see. Okay, so what you will do, put your first name here, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private, and do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Scroll down, choose your country and choose your language, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. It's really easy. It will take just few minutes. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go to Google and you need to search for Pinterest. Okay, because we will promote our affiliate links on Pinterest. Go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, and make sure to open business account. Okay, not personal account, you need to open Pinterest business account. Okay, and that's it. After you finish, go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, so now I'm gonna share with you guys which AI affiliate service that I was promoting on Pinterest. Okay, click over here on the search. I want you to pay attention and search for AI history short. Okay, this service is trending and it made me a lot of commission, and you should start promoting this service as a beginner if you just started affiliate marketing with Fiverr. Okay, search for AI history short, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews, If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. So for example, I'm gonna choose, okay, let me see. You can find a lot of sellers here. So this one, for example, let's choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews, 5-star. This service is just for $10. So anyone can buy this service. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. He has few orders in queue. As you can see, people are still buying this service. As you can see, what you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link, copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, let me show you. So just go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. Go back to your Pinterest homepage, click over here on home feed and click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, okay, and go to his picture, this picture, click on this picture, double click, save image, okay, and save this picture to your laptop. Okay, I'm gonna name it AI short like this. Go back to Pinterest, click over here on choose file like this and upload this picture to Pinterest. Okay, AI short, click on open like this, and you need to put here title, description and your affiliate link. So let's go back. So just go back to this seller page on Fiverr and just copy his title. You are just an affiliate marketer. You can use those information. That's fine. That's what I do. Okay. Put this title here, description. Go back to this seller profile page. Scroll down. You should see over here about this gig. This is his description. Okay. I will copy this description. I will copy this one, copy this part. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here like this. Okay, it's really easy and simple. Okay, and scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, and go back to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here like this. So click over here again on choose a board. If you have new accounts, click on create a board and you can create as many as you want. Okay, you just need to give it a name. I already have a lot. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down. You need to put here tags or keyword. Okay, so go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down, and you should see related tags. Okay, those are the keywords that you should use. Make sure to use a lot of keywords. They are really very important so people can find your this affiliate service on Pinterest. Okay, go back to this profile page, copy this one, YouTube short, go to Pinterest. I will put this keywords here. I will go back to this profile page. I will copy this one. I will go back to Pinterest. I will put this keywords here like this, and after you finish, click on publish. Okay, and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. And here you go. This is your picture about your service. This is your title. This is your affiliate link. Okay, That's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. This business is really super easy and you just need to start. You can start with $0. I have 5 Pinterest account. Okay, I have old account. If you are new and you just created your account, you need to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you promote a lot of affiliate links and you have a new account, your account will get banned. Okay, if you keep promoting more affiliate links, your account will get banned for sure. Okay, you have new account, you need to warm your account. Okay, step by step, between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. Stay consistent. I don't it's The commission, how much time will take to get your first commission, I don't know. I cannot give you an estimated because it's depending on your work. Okay, depending on your work, and you cannot just use Pinterest, because for me Pinterest is one of my traffic sources to promote my affiliate links. Okay, you can also use Facebook, you can use YouTube shorts, you can use YouTube just simple videos, you can use Instagram, you can use Twitter, and so much more. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I already shared a lot of all those methods. Okay, make sure to check my channel. I share with you how you can promote affiliate links on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so much more. Okay, feel free to check my channel. It's for free. All the videos, watch them for free. I'm sharing all my method with affiliate marketing, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.